Hello everyone, my name is Stornovi and today this is how you can upload some custom fonts on Scratch using with this program Inkscape. So it's easy to use and you don't use Glypher anymore because it's kind of a bit hard to me. Now enough chit chat, let's begin this tutorial. So step 1. Go go make a new document. Okay. Okay, what's that? Well, still loading. Still loading. Step 2. Click click this button here. And then step 3. Put this thing over here and again and then step 4. Step 4, you can pick any font if you want to. And step 5, pick any color or something. Now, step 6. Now, type anything, but so I'm going to type. I'm going to type. Whoops, I'm a terrible tutorial. Like, there we go. Type market. Then you're going to click save as. Then you're going to save it. Now go with your favorite browser if you like to. Then click this one here, or click on the custom button if you want to. And I'm going to images and just and and voila! This this is how you upload a custom font on Scratch. Welp, I hope that helps, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Stornovi Starson, over and out.